Today we will take a look at H11 LED fog light bulbs from Sealight. The installation will be performed in our 2016 Scion TC, which we will show later in the video. The kit comes with extended warranty card. By default you get 2 years, but you can also register on their website and get 6 months extra. It's free as well. Next we have the manual. It is pretty detailed. It gives instructions on different types of bulbs, including our H11. Also you get troubleshooting instructions and product specifications. And of course the bulb itself. My first impression is the bulb is very well made. It does look like a high quality product. We have 6 CSP LED chips, 3 on each side. The bulb provides 6000 Kelvin xenon white light. It has aluminum body and a heatsink instead of the fan, which is great in my opinion, because this way you don't have any moving parts. I'll show you how the tabs look on the H11. There are 3 of them, 1, 2 and 3. And here we have the main electrical connector. The installation should be straightforward. We'll just remove the OEM bulb and plug in the new one, and it should work. In case of certain European vehicles you may need the CAN bus. If you do, Sealight will send you the CAN bus for free. The manufacturer claims that in ideal conditions bulbs will last up to 50,000 hours, which is approximately equal to 60 regular halogen bulbs. I will leave the link for this product in the description, and now we shall proceed to the installation portion of the video, and we will compare them to the OEM halogen bulbs. Here we have the fog lights on our Scion TC. The car didn't initially come with fog lights, we had to install them afterwards, and I will leave the link for that in the description as well. It's very easy to remove this bulb in case of this vehicle. To remove the original bulb you have just to pull this thing here, and it will come out. This is original connector and our new bulb. As I said, the installation is very simple. It's just plug and play. You plug in the new one like this and install it in place of the old one. Now we can compare the new LED light with the OEM. This is what we get. On the right we have the yellow OEM, and this is the Xenon white color. As you can see, the light bulb is properly leveled right now. It's on the same level as the OEM, which means it won't blind other drivers. It's very bright. As you can see, now it matches my headlights. This is how it looks from the front. This is our LED. And the original lamp. We went outside and right now we'll show you how it looks like at night. Again, this is our new bulb, and immediately I can tell that it's a lot more bright than the original. We still have the original bulb on this side and the new one on the other side. Makes a big difference. And look from the front. Right now I will install the second bulb. For that we'll have to remove the plastic cover, which is like over here. And this is the second bulb. Fits perfectly. The second bulb was installed, and I'll just quickly show you guys how it looks like inside the light assembly. Here there is a bulb. LED chips, which you can see on both sides, should be facing 3 and 9 o'clock. So basically they should be on the side. The installation is complete. Both bulbs look great. I think they're actually brighter than my headlights. I'm really happy with the results so far. As I said, I will leave the link for the product in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.